Hi guys, today I want to talk about why scientists cannot find evidence for the existence of the spiritual world. Now I've been watching a lot of videos about the work of scientists on YouTube. I've been listening to talk shows. I've been going all about the web, collecting knowledge about the views of scientists when it comes to the spiritual world. And I have come to the conclusion that there are three main reasons why scientists cannot find evidence for the existence of the spiritual world. The first one is scientists have declared that the evidence for scientific that can be called scientific evidence can only come from things that affect the five senses. That means your sense of smell, taste, touch. Unless the evidence collected does not affect the five senses of sight, then scientists have declared that it is not evidence. This is one reason why. Another reason is scientists have declared that what we call evidence for the existence of spiritual beings is not evidence, and therefore they have thrown it out and devalued it, and they have called it just our imaginations. This is the second reason why scientists cannot find evidence for the existence of spiritual beings. And the third reason is that scientists demonizes anybody who claims to have any evidence to show the existence of spiritual beings. Scientists will demonize you and say that you are not well in your head. You have a problem. You have a psychological problem. That is why you are saying these things, or you are being delusional. Now, I want to talk about these three reasons and give my honest opinion about these reasons. First, to begin with, the first reason which scientists cannot find evidence, where scientists have declared that evidence can only come from the five senses. Well, that is not a real way to declare that scientific evidence can only be from the physical world, because evidence for the spiritual world has been there long before scientists themselves started science, long before they knew what science is. But what is going on is that scientists have developed a mind where they have made themselves God. So it's like they gave themselves the power to only be the ones to declare what is scientific evidence. Therefore, they have declared that once it doesn't affect the five senses, it is not evidence. I myself have had many real spiritual experiences in my life, and there was no scientist to see that. And it did not affect my five senses. So what should I say? I should call myself delusional? Should I do that? No, I cannot do that. I will call scientists, the scientists that say these things, I will call them delusional, because they are delusional and they are agendized as far as I can see with that first reason. The second reason, scientists have declared that what we in the real world say is evidence for the existence of spiritual beings is not evidence. The reason why they say that is because we in the real world did not use no measurement, we did not use scientific method, we do not have chemical reactions, we are not chemists, we are not physicists. So they just declare that our opinions are null and void, just declaring that without no evidence to back up what they are saying. And up to now, they cannot disprove many of our claims, though some claims are false. Some claims that the public make where they encounter spiritual beings, these claims are definitely false, and I will agree to that. But scientists cannot disprove all the claims. And they have scientists themselves that are involved in the occult. They are involved in other spiritual matters, and they know it is working and it is real, and they have experienced it, yet they still deny it. And the third rule, the third reason, is that scientists demonizes people once ever they say they have evidence to show the existence of spiritual beings. You see that in the movies, in the horror movies, you see it in the witchcraft movies, you see it almost all everywhere around. You see scientists doing that kind of work. Now, I don't even need to talk about that one, because that one is just pure rubbish. That one has no basis in reality, and it can never be real. As far as I'm concerned, when I declare that something is real, I personally have to experience it or have to see the process to know how it was formed or what took place, and then I decide to myself, yes, that is real, or that looks like something that is real, and I can pursue a search on it to see if I can gain any real knowledge about whether it is real or not. Well, bye for now. See you in the next video.